So tell me, what is it that you want to do starting Monday?
Okay, so on Monday we're going to start a blog, what's called a vlog on LinkedIn, and we're going to do it daily, every fucking day, Monday to Friday, until we stop.
And that's, you realize that's pretty fucking crazy, right?
Yeah, like, I mean, it's scary, but
Why?
there's nothing.
Why are you going to do it?
No one else has done it before.
Yeah, and
I feel like there's a lot of business professionals and business owners out there that are going to lose their job or lose their business because of the way that the communication has changed because of this thing. And I feel responsible to help them not only to keep their job, but also free up their time to spend more time with their families. And if we can impact more people, reach more people, then we'll be able to get our message further.
all right,
Yeah.
that's fair. Nathanial, daily vlog coming soon.
Can you imagine, like, LinkedIn's gonna like probably kick me off because of like annoying everyone.
Yeah, probably.